What's up guys, I'm Dave, and I've been really looking forward to making this video. Today I'll be updating my everyday X99 system to the Z390 platform and equipping it with this, the Intel i9-9900K. I've chosen the MSI Z390 Ace for the system board, and I'm adding a touch of color with a 4DIMM kit of Corsair's Vengeance RGB memory. Although a 1080 Ti is a great card for a 9900K system, I'll be adding this 2080 Ti to really max out the system's potential. You can find the original build log of my X99 system here, and even though I'm changing most of the key components of this system, this will be a pretty quick update because the fans, what controls them, and the power supply are all staying put. Let's get building. And that's that. I'll save the benchmark results for another video, so make sure you get subscribed and toss a like on this video if you want to see those performance numbers. I'm going to go see what this thing can do and maybe find a more chill color scheme for the lights. See you next time.